Still worried that hormone therapy isn't safe? A lot of that fear comes from outdated studies that don't reflect how we practice today. Today, therapy is personalized. Bioidentical hormones, customized dosing, and the right delivery method. It's not a one-size-fits-all anymore. The real question isn't, is it safe? It's, is it right for you? Have you been told your labs are normal, but you don't feel normal? This is one of the biggest frustrations we hear. Standard lab ranges are broad and don't always reflect optimal health. So you can be normal and still feel terrible. That's why symptom-based care and deeper evaluations matter. Fatigue is one of the most common signs of hormone imbalance. Low progesterone can disrupt sleep. Low estrogen and testosterone can impact energy and motivation. And many women are told, your labs are normal, but that doesn't always mean optimal. We can help you understand the difference. That's one of the most common hormone-related sleep issues we see. Low progesterone and elevated cortisol can disrupt your sleep cycle, and over time, poor sleep affects everything: energy, weight, mood, and focus. Fixing sleep often starts with balancing hormones. Hormones play a major role in mood stability. Estrogen and progesterone directly impact brain chemistry and neurotransmitters. So when they fluctuate, your mood can too. This isn't just stress. There may be physiological reasons behind it, and we'll help you understand what's going on. If you're eating well, exercising, and still not losing weight, hormones may be the missing piece. Estrogen, progesterone, and even cortisol imbalances can slow your metabolism, especially during perimenopause and menopause. This isn't about willpower, it's about biology. At the Medicine Center Pharmacy, we work with providers to personalize hormone solutions based on your symptoms and labs. Noticing more hair in your brush or shower lately? Hair loss in women is often hormonal, not just aging. Thyroid, estrogen, testosterone, and even stress hormones all play a role. The mistake most people make is guessing instead of testing. The key to identifying the root cause and creating a personal plan. We help patients and providers do exactly that. If you feel like you're not as sharp as you used to be, hormones could be involved. Estrogen plays a key role in cognitive function and mental clarity. When levels shift, focus and memory can suffer. This isn't just aging, it's often hormonal, and it's something we can address. Has your libido changed and you're not sure why? This is incredibly common and rarely talked about. Hormones like estrogen and testosterone play a major role in sexual health. When they decline, desire, comfort, and response all can be affected. The good news is there are solutions, and they're more personalized than ever before. Wondering if hormone therapy is right for you? If you're dealing with weight changes, fatigue, mood swings, poor sleep, or hair loss, you are not alone, and there may be an underlying hormonal cause. This webinar is designed for both the patient and providers who want real answers. We'll walk through symptoms, testing, and personalized solutions. Comment webinar and we'll send you the link to register, or check out the link in our bio.